So we've arrived at Loch Lomond today, Scotland. Dan's drove up today, up the M6. The weather's looking changeable. We've had rain and wind and sun. Camp set up and we're just cooking some burgers. So we're at the side of Loch Lomond, Scotland, in a place called Rowan-Denian. I've got my midge net on and my midge repellent. So many midges. I had a good night's sleep last night, I needed it. I came straight off the 12-hour night shift. Dan drove, we drove all the way up to Scotland, through Glasgow to Loch Lomond. Set up camp, had a few beers, a few whiskies, a couple of burgers and hit the sack. I had a really good night's sleep. I think the pillow I brought helped. Needed that after being awake for over 24 hours. This morning we're going to attempt to climb Ben Lomond, the most southerly Munro in Scotland, via the Portigan Ridge. I think Dan's just making up a coffee and then we're going to head off. Say again? Oh right.
I think that's their winter. Oh right. Yeah. I think there might be a different colour or something. Got the bins, but people I've read said I've not seen them here.
Oh god, these midges, quality. Yeah. That's the summit of Ben Lomond.